I'm turning this cluttered workbench into a total mirror-like masterpiece. First, I had to clear the chaos and prep the foundation for this.
We're laying down heavy boards and sealing every seam with robotic precision.
Next, I'm sanding everything smooth until all the imperfections just disappear.
I can't forget the details like filling gaps and coating for that deep shine.
This final buffing is where the magic really happens. Look at that reflection.